Upon beginning this project, we quickly realized that the given amount of program was not going to give a tower as tall as the site allows. Now, being a banking office, we wanted to allow the tower to take advantage of greater height and strength on the site. But when you cannot use the height as a means of asserting a presence and a longevity and a power, then you have to explore other options to accomplish those same goals. Now, at a typical 2,000 square meter floor plate and a 4.2 meter floor to floor, the tower would only be about 123 meters tall. Now, that's not great given the site and what's allowed. Now, given that this represents the possible building volume, we chose to first look at the height of the tower. Now, there are several ways to increase this height, and the first is to simply increase the floor to floor. Going to something like 4.5 meters floor to floor allows the tower to reach about 140 meters. Now, another option is to increase that tower height is using a ziggurat. Now, while this mast can reach 180 meters, it's not an ideal solution, as it can cause two problems. Firstly, it can have too many floors with inefficient floor plans, and secondly, it loses that strength of the monolith that a bank building should have. Now, that brought us to an important point. What does a bank really want to be? No doubt, it should look strong, stable, and powerful. But however, this is slightly contradictory to the fact that the building also wants to be open and inviting. The two ideals seem to be in opposition. This led to our massing concept. We started with a tower that met the 158 meter height. We used 4.5 meter floor to floor to capitalize on that available height limit. Now, the first thing we did was stretch that tower to maximize the southern exposure of the tower. And then next we looked at how to affect the tower in a way that was both simple and powerful, using a cut. We began to carve the southeast corner to allow the building to have a clear directionality. Like many fruits and other things found in nature, the exterior can be used to protect the inside using the concept we recognized that this mask could reconcile the fundamental challenge that a bank building faces. The conflict between looking safe and resolute while simultaneously being open and inviting. By allowing this cut to influence the exterior wall expression, we found a massing concept that allowed the entrance portion of that tower to be inviting, with the other three sides to stand strong on the site.